Hey guys, welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. Today we are doing a bit of new year reset, especially in the living room and dining room area. I'm starting by taking down the Christmas tree. It was the last Christmas deco I hadn't removed because it takes a bit of time. Plus I always want to take my time packing and storing the deco pieces nicely. Some of these pieces cost a lot and some are actually gifts that I treasure. I wouldn't want them to be damaged. My apologies about the lighting. I keep forgetting to change the settings for this camera. It shouldn't be this dark while facing the window anymore. Also, unfortunately, this video is shorter than the usual New Year cleaning ones because I had a ton of help from my housekeeper. She did a lot of cleaning off camera, of course. Plus, I just had an hour a day to get this done. If I had more, I would have covered a lot. Also, if you see me disappearing off screen, it's my son I'm checking on. He's asleep on the couch. So I took the tree to the corridor to squeeze it back in. I didn't want to do it in here because of any dust it may have collected. It may affect the baby. Next day, as you can see, the Christmas throw pillow covers are off. I want to first remove all the shears to wash, clear up the area a bit, dust the surfaces and return my off-season deco back. Also, I have just accepted my living room will never be on theme as it used to be. Like now the playing mat is there to stay. I can't remove it. It's usually where my son takes his day naps. This day we only washed the shears. The next day we removed all the cuttings to wash. I don't like washing them at the same time to avoid having bare windows in the house. Also, I really need to put stoppers at the back of this couch. I actually had them, I don't know where they went to. I can barely open my curtains, as you can see, because when we sit on this couch it slides back to the wall. As you can see, we also got a new freezer. We decided to go with a standing freezer as opposed to a deep freezer. It's easier to store food inside and keep count of what you have inside. We went with the LG one and we got it at Hot Point. Also, this is the only place in the house we could put it in. It couldn't fit in the kitchen, of course. I clearly need to start manifesting a bigger house. Another thing my housekeeper did off camera was to wipe down the couch. She actually does this 3 times in a week. I love how she cleans, by the way. I can't remember the last time I saw cat fur on this couch. I have also discovered this Astonish Glass Cleaner is also perfect for polishing my decor pieces. It does a great job. While dusting the windows, I was using a damp cloth because I didn't want dust particles again to fly around and irritate the baby. To clean surfaces, by the way, I'm using the Astonish antibacterial surface cleaner. Next day, as you can see, I woke up and found she had already removed all the curtains and one load was already running in the machine.
Brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
Final room I'm dealing with is our bedroom. I'm doing a quick clean in here. I have to change our beddings and the co-sleeper beddings too. Our duvet was due for a change, but then I realized none of my spare ones were clean, so I had to make the bed without the duvet as I wait for it to wash and dry. It's currently running in the washing machine. I had to spend the next day washing all the rest of my duvets plus my bedroom curtains. Also, if you see any stains on my dress, please ignore its breast milk.
We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning, I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand, and you'll see if you take my hand, and I'll go out of my own way for you. I'll go out of my own way.
I'm lightly dusting off surfaces in here using my Dettol mix and a microfiber cloth. I wasn't doing any deep cleaning in here today.
I got you vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
Lastly, I'm cleaning this mirror, then I move all this laundry to the laundry area plus all our bathroom mats. It's laundry day tomorrow. Sorry this video ends abruptly, motherhood came calling. Anyway, I hope you got a bit of motivation to clean your spaces. We'll talk in the next video.